Now, Omaha's verified most accurate forecast.
I'm meteorologist Tim Schmidt with a look at your forecast for Tuesday, and we'll start out with some sunshine in the morning and at least through most of the afternoon. With that sunshine factored in, we should be warm enough to hit 90 degrees again for possibly the final time of this year, as things are going to cool off after today in possibly a big way. It looks like, though, chances for storms start to build in after about 1 and 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and once we get into Tuesday evening, spotty storms will be possible. Three things to know in your forecast. After Tuesday's warm 90-degree day, we're kind of cloudy and rainy for the rest of the week. And for now, it looks dry for the Huskers football game against Michigan on Saturday. Here's how this rain wants to build out. As we get into Tuesday morning, most of the rain that we had overnight is then off to our east, and we're starting out with some sunshine. But for the second half of the day, some clouds will build back into the region. Little spotty thunderstorms will be possible over in western Iowa once again for Tuesday afternoon, but those will become a little bit more widespread and common heading into later Tuesday evening. The chances for rain are quite low for areas in Nebraska, but just keep in mind as the evening and night goes on, more of this rain will start to build into the region. And I think those rain probabilities get quite high and likely for not just Wednesday, but also Thursday of this week. And we still have some rain for Friday and potentially Saturday of this upcoming weekend. I do think, though, for this upcoming weekend, once we get into Saturday, a lot of the rain will be moving off to our east as the day goes on Saturday, which leads us into possibly a drier weekend. But we could possibly see anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch of rain on average, with some areas maybe even up to an inch of rain if the heavier rainfall lands in your location. From your forecasted temperatures go a lot cooler for the second half of this week. We don't cool off much at night thanks to the clouds, the rain, and the humidity around the region, but afternoon temperatures will be a lot cooler than what we've had over the last few days.